Question number third. How many set can be formed by the following set? We are given the set. First is here the set of these. This is the null set, empty set, valid set. So number of element in this set is 0. Now the number of subset of this set equal to 2 की power number of element. Here the number of element is 0 in none. So 2 की power 0 equal to 1. किसी की power 0 होगी तो किसके इक्वल होता है 1 की. Second part is say that here the set and given the element of a 1. Now the number of subset of this set is 2 की power number of element 1 यानी कि 2. Next is 3 element है तो 2 की power 3 means 8. And last fourth part say that 1, 2, 3 up to n element of this set. Then number of subset is 2 की power n. So here the number of subset is 2 की power n. Now question number 4 say that write down the all subset of this. We have write down the all subset of given set. We are given set 1 by 2, 1 and pi. We have write down all the subset of these. So first of them we write the subset of these. सबसे बड़ा जो सबसेट होता है वो होता है सबसे पहले 5. After this we write these in 1 set. 1 by 2, 1 pi. After this we became 2 pairs. 1 by 2, 1 by 2 pi and 1 pi. After last of these is write itself. This set is also the subset of itself. 1 by 2, 1 and a pi. Now these are the subset of this set. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These are the 8 subset of this set. Because the number of element of this set is 3, so the number of subset of 2 की power 3 means 8. So we write the 8 element 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next part is A, B, C, D. Given set. Second part, write 8 से subset. We have find the subset of these 2 की power 4, it means 16. We have write these 16 set of these subset. Same as first part. Now question number 5 say that in question number 5 we make a set is given by 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have write first option, write the subset of a that contain all odd number. We have made the subset of odd number. In 10 elements we write those elements which are odd. So set of odd number, subset of odd number, subset of odd number. In this set odd number is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9. This number is contained to this. Next set that even number. For second even number, we make the subset of even number from this set. In this set we have take only even number. Here the even number is 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. This is the set of a even number. And last sheet that write the subset of A that contain no element. We have write the those subset which contain not a element. In these questions we have write these 5. And in these questions this set write this. These are the two types of to write a null set. So now we write this empty set F5. This is the set which contain no element. Now in questions number 6 we say that A, B, C is a given set. Set A is A, B, this is one element, and C, this is the second element. We write power set of A. Power set of A, it means we write first the subset of these set. Here the two elements. This is the first element, this is the second element. So number of subset is 4. So now subset of A. A is subset 5. Then we write AB, then C, and this is also a set A, B and C. This is the subset of these set. We does not turn into A को B को अलग नहीं करना. It is also the element of one AB. AB is also a set. In this type we said that write in the bracket this is also one element, not the different element. These are the four element of the subset of A. Now we write in power set. In power set we collect into all set of a set. Then we say that it is the power set. Write this A, B and C. Now write this into this set. This is called the power of a set. Question number 7 say that. In question number 7, he said that write the following as interval. We have discussed 4 types of interval, and first part is x such that x belong to R, real number, -5 less than equal to x less than equal to 5. Write these into the interval. There are 4 types of interval: open interval, closed interval, semi-open, semi-closed. If from this say that x contain -5 and -5, both between value, not contain these value. Not contain this value, then we write -5 and 5 in a open interval. We write this interval. X lie between these -5 to 5, or x belong to real number. This is the open interval set. Now second part of say that x belong to R, 0 equal to x less than equal to 3. He say that these value greater than to 0, including 0 but less than 3. 0 including, not including 3. So then this is the example of these 0 and 3. Here we including 0, not including 3. This is the example of another interval. And next third part is say that x such that x belong to R, 4 and x 11. This say that x की जो वैल्यू है 4 से ग्रेटर बट लेस देन और इक्वल टू 11. इट मीन्स 11 इंक्लूडिंग नॉट इंक्लूडिंग 4, देन we including 11 not 4. This is the interval of this set. This is semi open and semi closed interval example. And last fourth say that x such that x belong to R, 3 belong greater than equal to x less than equal to 12. This say that x is greater than 3 and greater value. This is less than or equal to 12. So then 3 and 12. This is the closed interval sets. These are the 4 types of x. Question number 8 say that write the following interval in set builder form. We write this form in these questions. For example, -5 0. First part this. Write the set builder form. This is the set builder forms. Now we write is x such that x belong to R. Now we write these. This is also type of this. -5 greater than x less than equal to 0. We including not these two value. This is the open interval. Then these value are not including. We write these value in this interval from question number 8. And second part of this is say that 2 or 8. 2 8. In this interval 2 not including 8 and including. Write this interval set builder form x such that x belong to R. 2 is greater than x less than equal to 8. This is next part. And third say that 3 to 6. 3 including 6 not including. Write this x such that x belong to R. 3 including 3 less than greater than equal to x or less than equal to 6. This is the third part. And the last part of this 3 and 12. 3 and 12, write this part same as this. Now I write is x such that x belong to R. Say that 3 and 12 also including 3 greater than equal to x less than equal to 12. This is your fourth part.